हेलो गाइस, हेलो बच्चों। आज हम सीखेंगे एनिमल्स का नाम। चलो साथ आओ। दिस इज ए काउ। काउ
cow
दिस इज ए डॉग। डॉग
dog
दिस इज ए एलिफेंट। एलिफेंट
elephant
दिस इज ए हॉर्स। हॉर्स
horse
This is a cat. Cat.
cat
This is a rat. Rat.
rat
This is a monkey. Monkey.
monkey
This is a sheep. Sheep.
sheep
This is a donkey. Donkey.
donkey
This is a gorilla. Gorilla.
gorilla
This is a tiger. Tiger.
tiger
This is a lion. Lion.
lion
This is a rhino. Rhino.
rhino
This is a zebra. Zebra.
zebra
This is a camel. Camel.
camel
This is a giraffe. Giraffe.
giraffe
This is a goat. Goat.
goat
This is a buffalo. Buffalo.
buffalo
This is a ox. Ox.
ox
This is an elephant.
elephant
This is a dinosaur.
dinosaur
This is a rabbit.
rabbit
This is a fox.
fox
This is a chimpanzee.
chimpanzee
This is a crocodile.
crocodile
Bye bye.